Hello, this is Jane with Personally Yours. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed the video. What we're going to do today is look at some of the items that are in the line available at Target. It's from the Hearth and Hand with Magnolia line. You know, the fixer-upper people, they have that line now at Target. So let's just take a look at a few of the things. Before we get started with this coral decor here, let me walk over here. These three items here are not part of the Hearth and Hand collection, but when I went into Target, I couldn't help but notice the dish towel with the kitchen utensils. And I noticed the colors that they were using. Look at the blue handle on the little whisk. Then the coral colored handle with the gold, just to the left of it. And then there's the tea towel. It's in that pretty coral print. These three items are all made by Threshold. Those items are sitting in a basket that was made by Threshold, and it looks like it's handmade, but of course it isn't. But it has the coral band around the top, and then the cream colors with the natural fiber. It really looks good. So as I proceeded in the store, I noticed that the Hearth and Hand itself was using some of those very colors. They seem to be so in right now. You see the picture, it's striped and it's coral. All the things I'm going to show you now are from the line of Hearth and Hand with Magnolia. They have that farmhouse look, the modern look, but they could also go in very well with the cottage look. It's a simplified line with no foo-foo or frills, but it still can adapt to your decor, no matter what your decor is. There in the that you're seeing now is one of the cups in the cream color that I got during the Christmas time. And in the foreground, remember the placemats with the cross stitch? Oh, they were so neat. I just had to get one. Then, in the front here, we have the tea towels, a set of two. They're striped. And let me see if I can't pull one up here. And then the other stripe. Okay, let's move on next to the placemat. What I like about this placemat, the cream color can go with about everything. And the napkin to the side, it actually comes in a pack of 4 napkins. The cross stitch runs along the side of that, and you know that these napkins, they are 20 inches by 20 inches. Looking at this placemat, the thing that really strikes me is the very pretty edging and the cross stitch. It's in that coral color. Let's move on to the next item. Oh, okay, we've got this wooden item is actually a pencil holder. But I just stuck some things in it. I've been using it for pencils, but for the video I stuck some things in it. And the flour sack dish drying towels are so neat. The one right here is the blue color. That's what we're going to go to next. We're going to review the blues. There is the blue mug. Notice the terracotta bottom. And the thing about this, the majority of their mugs were only $3.99. They have the look and the feel of a homemade piece of pottery. Not homemade, but a artisan-made piece of handmade pottery. I like the blue color. That reminds me of a window pane pattern. The one to the right is also in the blue and the cream. It has a terracotta bottom, just like the other mug. And those blue, they look like little bitty little marks, but they are so attractive. They almost remind me of modern. Yeah. And it's also $3.99. Very, very nice. Then we have the bowl. This is just part of the line of the things they have, but I wanted to show you the pattern. The little bowl on the inside is a blue, and I believe that they call this color teal. It's so hard to pin down the shades of blue. The terracotta bottom, and the bowl is $4.99. In my pencil holder in the middle, I just threw some little leaves in there. And next to it, there's a gold towel. That reminds me that the next color we're going to review is gold. The golden colors, ready for summer. Remember the pot holders that they had? And the dark black and white striped during Christmas? This is like that. And here's the window pane. The set of the two pot holders is $5.99. It would sure make a nice gift to someone. You know what we like about it so much is these very attractive leather straps. And, these pot holders are really thick and really nice. You could actually even decorate with it. I just threw a little bit of greenery in there just to kind of show it off because it's such a pretty accent piece, but also very practical, something you can use. Here is just like the blue bowl, except it's gold on the inside. It has a really nice finish. It's smooth. But one thing I like about these items, they look imperfect, like they were handmade. That's the intention. They look kind of warm and fuzzy. And it has a terracotta bottom. And this bowl is also $4.99. Okay, here we go with the mug. Oh, we can't have too many mugs. It's like the blue one, but it's in the gold color, cream, terracotta bottom. These are just some of the things that I wanted to show you. Oh, before I let you go, okay, just kind of look back over it. I want to swing over here and show you their wreath. Whoa, got way too close. It's so big and it's so full. And I'm going to, it would go outside or inside. I'm going to do a little something with it, and I'll show you in the next video. I do thank you for tuning in. Again, this is Jane with Personally Yours, and if you would like, please subscribe to the video. I'm going to try to do a review of these products as they come out. I understand they're going to be having quite a few product resets during the year, and I want to keep you informed. Thank you again, and have a wonderful day.